Welcome! I have to study for the exam. We should rest for a while. You can't bring your dog.
As you can see, today we will focus on models of obligation. Let's start. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin.
You can study at the library. You can't talk loud.
They should eat healthier food. He ought to stop smoking.
The students have to finish the task before noon. They mustn't leave before finishing.
Sally doesn't have to go to work today. She doesn't have to do any tasks.
Models of obligation. We use the models of obligation to express rules, laws, or obligations. Also, we can use them to give advice.
We use have to or must to express a strong obligation. They have to finish their work.
We use should or ought to give advice. He should stop smoking.
We use can when we want to express choice. You can study at the library. Can't we use when we want to express prohibition. You can't be loud at the library.
We use doesn't have to express not a necessity. She doesn't have to work today. Pay attention to the verb forms used with the models of obligation.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!